Hello students, let's revise today unit number first of operation research. So all of you must be aware what is operation research, right? Operation research is, first we will understand what is operation, to do some task, and research, to do it again in some innovative manner which is already not existing. Right. So operation research is defined here as to do the work in an effectively and efficiently manner so that it can be completed as to reduce the cost or to maximize the profit. As each organization wants to maximize the profit or wants to reduce the cost, so operation research is a very useful technique in every business. So the next is, what is operation research? Operations meaning the activities carried out in an organization, and the research is the process of observation and testing characterized by the scientific method. Observe करना and testing, the method which we are using, if it is not effective as much, we will find it the new method and test by the scientific, that is by using any technique whether it is proof or not. Hence operation research involves research on observations. As we apply a technique and if the outcome is not as matching with our expected result, we will change our strategy to attain the expected outcome. Historical background where the operation research was started. The formal activities of operation research (OR) were initiated in England during World War II when a team of British scientists set out to make decisions regarding the best utilization of war material. Following the end of the war, the ideas advanced and military operations were adapted to improve efficiency and productivity in the civilian sector. Today, OR is a dominant decision-making tool. So we can define operation research as the decision-making tool. Definitions. There are so many definitions you can go through, but here we are taking the important one. According to H.A. Taha, it is given by the Taha in, there is a book of H.A. Taha also of operation research in Pearson publication, that OR is a scientific knowledge through interdisciplinary team effort for the purpose of determining the best utilization of limited resources. Interdisciplinary team meaning here that in organization there are so many departments like HR, operation, finance, accounts, right? So it is a team based work, right? Interdisciplinary, that is the decision will be taken on the consent of all the teams working in an organization. Second, OR is essentially a collection of mathematical techniques and tools which in conjunction with system approach are applied to solve practical decision problems of an economic or engineering nature, according to Dallenbach and George. Next, come to scope of operation research. ऑपरेशन रिसर्च का क्या स्कोप है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एरियाज वेयर वी कैन यूज द ऑपरेशन रिसर्च. सो ऑपरेशन रिसर्च इज यूज everywhere worldwide. First one is national planning and budgeting because decision making is everywhere, right? Second, defense services, industrial establishment and private sector units, research and development and engineering, business management and competition, agriculture and irrigation, education and training, transportation, home management and budgeting. Now, the next is phases or methodology of operation research. What are the different phases of operation research? Step number first is observe the problem environment. पहले हमें क्लियर क्या होना चाहिए, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम एनवायरमेंट. हम प्रॉब्लम until or unless we will not be clear about the problem, how we will find the solution, right? So problem should be very clear. And second step, analyze and define the problem. Analyze, we will analyze what is the drawback, right? Define कि हम एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द मार्केटिंग टीम इज वर्किंग अपॉन अ प्रोजेक्ट that why the sales is down, right? So we have to find the factors that what was the previous and what was the existing and what are the reason behind sales is decreasing, right? तो वो हमें एनालाइज करने पड़ेंगे, SWOT एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा उसका, व्हाट आर द स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड द थ्रेट्स इन द मार्केट. स्टेप नंबर थर्ड, डेवलप अ मॉडल. उसके लिए अब हम एक मॉडल डेवलप करेंगे. इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स वी विल go through the model. Model is, that is, like there are three model: iconic, symbolic and the mathematical model. तो एक हमें उसका डमी कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ेगा कि हाउ वी कैन गेट द ऑब्जेक्टिव और रीच द ऑब्जेक्टिव. नंबर 4, सिलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा इनपुट. अब उस मॉडल को अचीव करने के लिए व्हाट आर द डेटा इनपुट्स रिक्वायरमेंट. स्टेप नंबर 5, सॉल्यूशन एंड टेस्टिंग. वी विल फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन एंड टेस्ट करेंगे हम उसको. सॉल्यूशन निकाला, प्रॉब्लम पता चली, प्रॉब्लम का इनपुट फाइंड आउट करा उसमें, ये जो जो रिक्वायर्ड था, फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन एंड वी विल टेस्ट एज लाइक अ डेमो टेस्ट कि वेदर इट इज एप्लीकेबल और नॉट. And the step number 6, implementation of the solution. If after the testing it is found to be okay, then we will implement the solution. And the one more important thing is maintenance. This is a ongoing process that wherever change is required in the process, we have to continuously keep a track on it. Next come to features और characteristics of OR. ऑपरेशन रिसर्च के क्या फीचर्स हैं, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज डिसीजन मेकिंग. पहला है हमारा, हम OR से क्या कर सकते हैं, डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प करता है. सेकंड, साइंटिफिक अप्रोच. द अप्रोच शुड बी साइंटिफिक, दैट इज इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन सम साइंटिफिक टेक्निकली टूल्स. Third one, interdisciplinary team approach. There is based on interdisciplinary, that there is a group of teams. Fourth, system approach. We have to follow the step-by-step procedure to attain the solution. And fifth, use of computers, as there are very large number of calculations. We cannot do it manually. There are software available. So without using the computers, the techniques applying of the techniques are not possible. So there is a use of computers. Next is types of operation research models. So as I discussed in previous slide, there are three types of models that are commonly used in operation research as well as in most of sciences. First is iconic model. Iconic model represent the system as it is but in different sizes. That is, for example, photographs. You see, our photograph, अगर हम photograph लेते हैं तो actual चीज का लेते हैं, but the size is varying. यानी कि we can increase or decrease it is iconic. Or you can say the blueprint of a map, architecture of a building, model aeroplane, toy ship, drawing of anything. So here we can represent the same, but it is not in actual. Second, come to analog model. In this, one set of properties used to represent another set of property. Right? As you can take an example that the pipe used in for water supplying, we can use them also in the electricity. The tube pipe, जो thin pipes होते हैं उसमें use कर सकते हैं. तो एक प्रॉपर्टी को हम दूसरी जगह यूज कर रहे हैं. एज इट इज देयर इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जांपल. contour lines on a map are analogs of elevation as they represent the rise and fall of heights. Right? Third, mathematical symbols. In symbolic model, letters, numbers and other types of mathematical symbols are used to represent variables and the relationship between them. For example, inventory model जहाँ पर हम mathematical symbol use कर रहे हैं as like correlation and regression, that y is equal to ax p plus b. कि किसी चीज की कॉस्ट बढ़ने से उसकी सप्लाई और डिमांड पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है, दैट इज नोन एज मैथमेटिकल मॉडल्स. नाउ व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशन. अब तक हम पढ़ रहे थे उसके एडवांटेजेस, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड स्कोप्स. अब देयर आर सम लिमिटेशन आल्सो. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन, द फर्स्ट वन इज राइट. So there is a magnitude of computation. There is the directions also. Second, non-quantifiable pictures. That is, it doesn't work on qualitative factors. The limitation क्या है? Qualitative जैसे good, bad, best, हम उस पर काम नहीं कर सकते. Success and failure. The variable should be quantitative only, not characteristic based. थर्ड, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन यूजर एंड एनालिस्ट. जो यूजर है और एनालिस्ट जो उसको यूज कर रहा है, देयर इज अ डिस्टेंस. दिस इज अगेन द लिमिटेशन. जो यूज कर रहा है वो ही और शी कैन नॉट or able to make a software. Time and money costs, again this is the limitation. It involves a huge time and money cost. Next is the implementation. Implementation is also very difficult. That's why it is applicable in large industries, not on the small scale industries. So thank you everyone. Go through this, and if there is any query, ask me. Right. Thank you so much.